Bridge up top, deep.
Yes, up here! Up here!
Up there, up there.
How do I get up
Up
there?
here! Go to your
You
right!
never know.
Follow me.
You never know. He
I'll
might
follow
like
you.
spawn below us and we'll kill him before he even gets up here. That would be epic.
That'd be amazing.
You guys heal right at the spawn or something.
Good. There you go. Then walk
I
across.
hope he spawns right in the middle of you and then knocks you off.
He'll spawn
should
right in
happen
here.
too.
I bet
It's
you
more
he'll spawn
likely.
in here with me.
Murphy's Law.
Got this.
Hmm.
Oh damn.
Oh, he's downstairs.
He'll come for me. You know that, right?
Inside.
Oh no.
The sad thing is he'll come
Back.
for me.
Hmm.
Is he seriously taking the long way?
Yeah, it's taking a long way. Damn.
No, he's not. He's coming around right now.
Oh what?
There he is.
Yep, there he is.
Oh crap.
No,
Back.
not gonna.
Ooh.
No, couldn't even knock us off. Come on.
No, Mr. Brew!
Mr. Brew.
We have more firepower.
Tucker Brew. Deep red.
Aha.
Like a little coward.
Mr. Brew!
No,
come
Mr.
out.
Brew. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
What?
Ah, that's awesome.
So it's
it,
He punched someone off.
Did I unload
Hey,
this
you
door
just
for you,
ran
Nips?
what?
Mr. Nip! come back.
The door's unwelded for you if you need to run.
Oh, no, I'm trying to go back up.
Come back up, Mr. Nip.
Derp.
Think about what you just said.
Derp.
Heal nips.
You stay. I go touch.
Someone this door. I got this lag.
Touching, touching, do 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 do. Which is better, the Scar or the ACOG?
Hey, go. Perfect.
ACOG.
Oh, it's
Oh, he's behind us!
Wow, this is working pretty well.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
Bring him to me. I want to get a poop video. We've got like 30 types here.
No,
He's
it's a big
He's
fire.
got the
derped.
clear.
Just outside of you, Kami.
This bat is so stupid, holy shit.
It's pretty.
Wow.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, and there he is.
I think we got this.
I don't
think
know
so.
what to think.
There is still, you guys should probably go down there. There's still like 20 pipes down there.
Nah.
I don't want to get
The
wasted.
last
We'll,
retreat,
we'll,
maybe.
we'll just kill him here. We'll be amazing.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Hey, at least I had a poof clip.
Alrighty.
He's on top of you guys. No.
Hiya! Robot.
There he is.
Here he comes.
Where is he? Oh, he's right there.
Closer.
Did he just run away?
Yeah, he's gone. He has like almost nothing.
Yeah,
Come
he's
back,
almost
Mr.
dead.
Blue. I'll open the door for you.
User in your channel timed out.
Oh, you guys carry.
Give me a sec, I'm reloading.
Sounded like he slammed the phone. Is he
No, he's
stuck?
gonna come back up the bridge. No, he's gonna come back like where I'm looking right now, soon.
Okay. Deep, you need to take the hit.
Get ready.
Or Fox, one of you two.
Oh, yeah, take it.
Oh, I can
Uh,
take another one.
Okay,
But
I
don't
guess-
go all the way back there. We need to be
I
able
guess
to
Blue's getting ready.
back a bit.
Come on! Oh,
Oh no!
Oh no!
No!
come on, come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
I got
Oh,
it.
fuck yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god! I wish I recorded that.
Was anyone
If I
recording? Anyone?
I shot him in the knee.
So you're recording that?
Yes, I was.
I was not.
Yes.
Oh, God.
That was amazing.